Garlic. So when choosing your heads of garlic, we want to make sure that they're firm, whereby there should be no give when you press on the cloves. There should also be no visible signs of mold or bruising on the exterior. To break up the cloves, I'll use the palm of my hand to press down on the top until I feel it give, upon which you'll be able to easily separate the cloves. First method is to use a paring knife and start by slicing off the stem. Then we can peel back the skin with the tip of our knife until it's completely removed. And there's our cleaned clove. Another technique is to use the base of our knife to smash the clove, which will release the skin and can now easily be removed. Sometimes you'll find a bruise. Simply use the tip of your paring knife to core it out. We'll give that a quick slice, and if we want to chop it further, we can perform a haché until it's nice and fine. To create a fine paste, we'll do the exact same thing. This time, however, we'll sprinkle some salt over top, then we'll use our blade and crush the garlic. And the salt acts like an abrasive, breaking the cells of the garlic along with the force of our blade. And there's our garlic paste.